In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file into Google Sheets. This process is perfect for those who have stored data in Excel, but now want to utilize the collaborative power of Google Sheets. Let's get started. To begin, open a Google Sheet by navigating to your Google Drive on your preferred web browser. If you haven't done so already, simply click on the New button found on the upper left corner of your screen and select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. This will create a new spreadsheet where we'll import your Excel file. Next, direct your attention to the top left of your Google Sheets interface and click on the File tab. This will open a list of options, but in this case, we are particularly interested in the Import option. The Import feature allows you to bring in data from various sources, including Excel files. Now, once you click on Import, a new window will pop up with a few options. What you need to do here is click on Upload, which allows you to upload a file from your device. Clicking Upload brings up an option called Browse, so click on that as well. This will open a file browser on your computer where you can locate and select the Excel file you wish to import. Once you have navigated to your file, choose the Excel file you want to import into your new Google Sheet. Double-click on it or select it and click Open. Now, with the Excel file selected, it's time to consider how you want the data to be imported. Google Sheets will give you several options. You can replace the existing spreadsheet, create a new spreadsheet, or insert new sheets. For a fresh start, you may choose Create New Spreadsheet, while Replace Spreadsheet is an ideal option for overwriting existing data. Finally, with your preferences set, click on Import Data. Google Sheets will start to bring in the content from your Excel file according to the option you've selected. The speed of this step can vary depending on the size of your Excel file and your internet connection, but it usually takes just a few moments. And there you have it. Your Excel data should now be accurately reflected in your Google Sheets. This method of importing is not only straightforward, but also incredibly useful when collaborating with others, enabling you to leverage Google's sharing and editing capabilities. Remember, you can always go back and adjust the import settings should your needs change or if you encounter any inconsistencies with your data. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.